YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to another video. And as you can tell by the title of the video, I'll be unboxing these shoes right here that I've been wanting for a really long time. Without further ado, let's get into it. Before we get into the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so starting off with the box, we have a nice white, plain, simple box with the logo right there and the name right there, MAISON MIHARA. MAISON MIHARA. I don't know how to pronounce that. That's a shame because I lived in Japan for 4 years, I think. Yeah, 4 years, and I don't know how to pronounce this Japanese brand right here. I don't even know what that say. But Yashiru. Yeah, I don't know, but yeah, y'all see it. Okay, so opening up the box. If I can get it open. Hold on. Okay, so keep in mind, I already tried these on, I already made a TikTok about these, so if the packaging is like messy, I try my best to make it look like when it came in. So with the little wrapping paper thing, it's like a cloth material. It says Yashiru on there, whatever it's called. Fold that back, fold this back, and then you get the shoes right there. And the little cloth bag or whatever it's called. There right here. I tried to make it look like when it first came in. It looks messy, I know. Hold on, did I show you the size tag? Alright, so I got a size 43. That is equivalent to a US size 10. With these, I would recommend going down a size. I should have got a 42 because these do fit. They do fit kind of big and stuff. So yeah, I recommend going a size down because that will fit way better. They do feel a little big. Okay, so enough rambling about the box. Let's get into the shoes real quick. So they came in these little dust bags, cloth bag. I don't know what it's called, but getting into it, we have the first shoe right here. So I ended up getting the all white pair. I wasn't get the all black pair, but those were like almost 700 basically, and I only paid $450 total for these, so I ended up getting these because, and plus I don't see as many all white pairs as much as the black pairs. On the tongue you have MMY right there, and then it says footwear, trust yourself, wearing instructions, wear your way of life, never forget to love, have fortitude, believe in your creativity, never bend your head, always hold it high. That's a very good message on the shoe. And it has like this chunky midsole, so if you true to size fit. Or if you have a wide foot, I still recommend going. Just your true to size, don't size down if you have a wide foot. Because see, look, when I walk, it does this. Kind of like the back knees, they go up a little bit. So that's why I said, for sure, you go a size down if you don't want that to happen to you. It's like my heel goes up a little bit when I walk, almost like coming out the shoe. So that's why I recommend going a size down. So here's a nice up close shot for you guys. There's the chunky sole. And it has like this little, I don't even know what this is called. I think this is called canvas material. Well, I don't know what this is called, but like it has like a painted over, like somebody just painted over it type. Look, the chunky laces, the MY, and that's the message right there. And then turn the shoe. Man, this shoe is like gorgeous, bro. Like, wow, this is better than like any Jordan I ever owned. Like, this go with anything, and they stand out too. But the downside is that people who are not into fashion are gonna think these are Converse. That's the only downside. But they're a little too, I think, lace holes or whatever it's called right there. And then there's the back, MMY. Here's the bottom, made in China. There's the inside right there. Insole. Hold on, let me turn it. There's the insole. Okay, so that was today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about these shoes. Are these a must cop, or would you sleep on these? Just let me know in the comments. But yeah, I need to leave an honest review on these, so just so I know, like, should you really get these, and these are like worth the price. So I ordered these off Feature. They took like, I think I took like yeah, it only took like a few days. I think I ordered them on Tuesday and they came in Thursday. So yeah, really fast shipping. I did pay extra though for the shipping because I did not feel like waiting that long, especially since I paid as much for these. And these are really comfortable. I definitely do recommend. They are comfortable. They're not uncomfortable. And these do stand out. They definitely do look different. Definitely will. These people breaking their necks and stuff looking at your shoe because they have not seen these before in person, or they never seen like a shoe like this. And packaging is nice. Yeah, overall it's like a nice experience. Should you get these? I feel like if you can afford it, yes. But if you can't afford it, let's go with like Converse, regular Converse. At the end of the day, most people who are not into fashion are not gonna know what the heck these are. There's gonna like nice shoes and keep walking and going on about their day. But yeah, I will recommend it if you can't afford it. But if you can't afford it, just go with some Converse alternate. Just go with some Converse, okay? Regular Converse. These look kind of the same. But if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you can be notified every time I post. And yeah, that's it. Peace. Gotta get the thumbnail.
Put your money where your mouth is.